Devin is a landscaper who needs to prepare different types of grass seed for his customers' yards. Bluegrass seed costs $2 per pound, while drought-resistant seed costs $3 per pound. If for a particular day the two types of grass seed totaled $68 and together weighed 25 pounds, how many pounds of the bluegrass seed did Devin prepare? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up two equations known as system of equations. And then we're going to work through the system and come up with a solution. So the first equation we're going to deal with is going to display the price per pound per type of grass. So first we're given bluegrass seed costing $2 a pound. So B is for bluegrass, and we know it's $2 per pound. So $2 times B is representing the $2 per pound of bluegrass. And then we're going to add that to the $3 per pound of drought-resistant seed. So I'm using D for drought, and we know it's $3 a pound. And then we have to set this equation equal to something. So looking back at the problem, 2B plus 3D has to equal the $68. And notice here that this first equation deals with the money aspect of the seed. So the second equation has to deal with the pounds, since that's the other part of the question. So we have 25 pounds total, and we don't know how many of each type of grass. So we're just going to write it as B for bluegrass plus some amount of drought resistant is going to equal 25 pounds. Okay, so we set up the equations, and again, this is pounds. So now for the easy part, we get to solve it. Yeah? So we are looking for bluegrass. So since I want to solve for B and look for B, I'm looking to get, as you can see over here, the D's to cancel. And as you can remember, we solve these by combining them vertically. So in order to get the positive 3D to cancel, I'm going to need the second equation to become negative 3D. And then they'll just cancel each other out. So all I have to do is multiply that second equation by negative 3. Since I want, again, that D to become negative 3D. What's very important is to make sure you distribute the negative 3 throughout the entire equation. So I'm going to rewrite the top equation again so we're not confused. There we go. And then I'm going to distribute the 3. The negative 3. So it's going to be negative 3B plus negative 3D. And that equals negative 75. So we're going to combine these vertically. A negative 3 plus a positive 2 is a negative 1B. And the 3's will cancel as planned. And this becomes negative 7 when combined. And obviously we're not going to have a negative B and a negative 7 since we're looking for positive pounds. So we want to get that negative sign out of there. So I'm just going to distribute that negative 1, take it out. So this becomes B equals positive 7. And we know that the B came from the bottom, pounds. So we know that the answer is 7 pounds of bluegrass seed.